Welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Frontal Social. Right, today I just one of the location Aceh we call what Aceh Jaya. You know what? Now one of the garden. We call what garden park garden. This is the lot of the kind of type of flower. We call it Felicio flower. This is the same like from Europe exactly. So you don't have to visit to Europe or United States or Switzerland or Belgium or the other country around the world. You just have to visit in Aceh. Can you imagine that? This location very truly big location. Every single day people came here. You know that? Just what? They just take a picture, make a film, video, anything about that. Alright, I am as this guy, just from Aceh 5 countries, that country, Europe, United States, Asia, Australia, Africa, Middle East, that. It's just to visit a lot of people, tourists came here and then take pictures here. So, are you Asian people or Asian people? When you come visit to Aceh, don't forget to stop by in Aceh. Exactly, Panga. Panga is a village in one of the district Aceh Jaya. This is a built 2006 at the time. That a lot of people every single day came here to take pictures, everything about that. This is very love, right? This is very tall, beautiful, flower around the world. So one more time, if you want to visit to Aceh, don't forget to stop by here. You know what? Just promo 5 countries like Aceh Jaya 5 countries. Or firstly from United States people, or American people, European people, Australian people, or United Kingdom people. Alright, let's speed it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, because I would like to promote, or show off around the world, Aceh 5 countries, Europe, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Middle East, and then certain from United States. Let's speed it up to start from now.